state of lawlessness in Uttar Pradesh just continues. A schoolgirl was abducted and gang raped in Meerut, and now her family is being threatened by the accused. He is a BSP leader.
Now, with the BSP, of course, criticizing the Akhilesh government for the state of lawlessness in this state, the big question is, will the BSP act upon this horrific act of its party men?
She was abducted, gang raped and dumped on the streets of Meerut.
This is the very spot in the heart of Meerut, outside this very busy shopping mall, where a 12th class student was allegedly raped and dumped onto the streets of Meerut.
And then threatened by these men, one of which is the BSP leader Amit Badhana.
उसने बोला कि मैं इसके भाई को उठवा लूँगा, लड़की को ही मार दूँगा, घर में आग लगा दूँगा, और उसने ऐसे बहुत गंदी गंदी बातें बोली. मेरी पहुंच वहां तक है, लखनऊ तक है.
But the victim's family refusing to back down, unwilling to rest till the perpetrators are brought to book.
चाहते हैं सालों फांसी लगे, आप तो कह रहे हैं करवाना चाह रहे हैं. जो आदमी ऐसे करते हैं बच्चों के तो सबके बच्चे जाएंगे कहाँ?
जब लड़की ने पहचान कर लिया है कि वो लोग हैं, तो जो चाहे कोई भी हो उसमें, चाहे कितना ही बड़ा राजनीतिक दल का नेता हो, अगर लड़की ने पहचान कर लिया कि वो वहाँ मौजूद था, तो इसके अंदर वो बचना नहीं चाहिए, चाहे इसके अंदर कोई भी हो.
Though the three accused in this particular case have been arrested by the Meerut police and certain sections of the IPC have been imposed against them, the district administration on its part is saying that tough action will be taken. But the family fears that because the person, the main accused in this particular case, is so powerful in local politics, they are finding it very difficult to reconcile with the fact that they would be safe.
I have already instructed the local Deputy SP and the local SHO, and I have already told you I have already provided 2 security personnel only for this victim family.
But the accused political clout making the family fear for their lives and their children's future.
सुरक्षा चाहिए हमें अपने बच्चे के लिए और अपने लिए, जिससे आगे मेरे बच्चे को मेरी लड़की के साथ फिर कुछ ऐसा ना हो कि दोबारा जिससे फिर परेशानी पड़े.
On the face of it, the BSP has been going hammer and tongs at the SP for their Gunda Raj in the state, but have remained mum on this horrific issue involving their own party man.
Now, the Bahujan Samaj Party has denied having any links with the main accused in this rape case, Amit Badhana. But Times Now over here has visual evidence that proves otherwise. This is Amit Badhana, the main accused, who is clearly attending a function of the Bahujan Samaj Party, as is visible in the background.
While the accused have been arrested, the BSP is yet to come forth and take action against their gun-toting leader and moreover, ensure that political clout does not trump justice. With Sanket and Meerut, Sanjana Chauhan, Times Now.